How to get Telegram profile link. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can get Telegram profile link and also copy it. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right into it. First step is locate your Telegram app. After you locate it, open that up. After you've opened up your Telegram app, to simply get your profile link, you can tap on the settings icon on the bottom right. After you're on your settings, tap on the edit option on the top right. After you do that, there you should find your name, your date of birth, and other stuff. So if you have a username, tap on username. You can simply copy the username, and also you'll find a link that opens a chat with you. You'll find it right here. Tap on the link. You can copy the link and then you can share it. So it's that easy to copy a link and get your profile link. So now you can go to any other chat or any other social media apps to share your Telegram profile link, and it's that simple. And that's basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, and if you found this video helpful, leave a like down below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.